Students, welcome to Umul Qura Public School online classes. It's your English lecture, and I am your English teacher, Anna. Today's lecture is on English literature, and it is for grade 5. And now we will do the second poem of our syllabus, which is Skylark. Okay, we have done a reading already of this chapter. Now we will move to the next exercises. First of all, you're going to mention the chapter. After that, you will write the topic, which is the skylark. Our first exercise is write meaning of the following words. Number one word is skylark. It's a songbird. Gay, happy. On the wing, in flight, soared, flew high. Speck, a very small spot. Tender, soft, paused, stopped briefly, swift, quick. Then, next exercise word sentences as we are doing of our all previous chapters. I will only give you the words and you will write sentences by yourselves. Number one word is singing, silent, to be quiet, soared, to fly high, corn, stage, paused, to stop, dance, listening, wing, and the last one is stretch. Third exercise for the poem is main idea or theme of the poem. The theme or main idea of the poem written by Christina Rossetti, The Skylark, is that pausing to appreciate the natural world brings deep peace and happiness. The poem uses the skylark's joyful soaring song to show how nature lifts our spirits and connects the earth to the sky. It also highlights the beauty of the love and quiet companionship through the birds hidden made listening below in the cornfield. Finally, the speaker reminds us that these beautiful sunny moments pass by quickly. Ultimately, the poem teaches us to slow down, be mindful, and cherish the simple wonders around us before they slip away. So, this was our chapter for today. If you have any kind of question regarding the topic, you can ask me. I am always available. Thank you so much for giving me your time. Take care. Allah Hafiz.